Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
Hi friends, welcome to our channel Civil Tech Forum. Today's topic is the soil profile at the same location. Here you can see in this picture we got 4 different soil profiles. Especially in this picture you can see first one is around, it is a black cotton soil. Next one is red soil is there, bit yellowish. After that here you can see a pure red soil. Next we have the muram. Only at a depth of 2 meter we got 4 different profiles. Okay, it is the beauty of earth. Here you can see the 4 different soil patterns. So especially this pit is excavated for the building construction. Okay, within a depth of 2 meter we got these many different patterns of soil. So whenever you are going to construct a house, okay, you need to dig for better depths. Okay, we have the equation that is called the Rankine's equation to find out the depth of foundation. In our channel I have uploaded a video on the Rankine's equation also, how to find out the depth of foundation. Okay, here based on the soil parameters we have dig this pit up to 2 meter. So we got different soil profiles. Okay, here you can see the SPC of black cotton soil is different, this red yellowish soil is different, and red soil is different, and muram is different. Okay, already we all know that the SPC of black soil maybe it is 10 to 12 ton per meter square, and this may be around 15 ton per meter square, and here it may be 18 to 25 ton per meter square. We may get the SPC, especially in these types of soils. So here okay, whenever you design a structure, okay, we must have the SPC of these different soils. Okay, so for example, if you place the footing at this much of in a black cotton soil, obviously the footing dimensions will be quite high. Okay, so even though you cannot place here because the depth is around 0.5 meter only, you are not supposed to place directly on black cotton soil, place a footing on black cotton soil. Suppose if you place a footing in between red yellowish to red soil, okay, the SPC need to be taken around 15 ton per meter square. It will be around, okay, even you need to check in a lab for SPC and other parameters. Okay, apart from that, if you place the footing, okay, we need to consider the SPC of footing is around 18 to 25. Again I said lab testing is need to be done before come to the conclusion or before going to the design of any of the structures. Here what we have done is we are placing a footing in a muram. That's why we have excavated up to 2 meter. As the depth is increased here, the SPC is high. Okay, it leads to the least dimension in footing, as well as the length, width and depth will be reduced because of the higher value in the SPC. Okay, so here you can see the different 4 patterns. It is black cotton, red yellowish, red soil and muram. Okay, so even you can place the footings at 15 ton per meter square. That may leads to higher dimensions. Okay, it is if it is the same black cotton soil is from 0 to 2 meter, you may get SPC of 10 to 12 ton per meter square. So that may leads to higher dimensions of footing, whereas here it is red and red yellowish, it is around 15 ton per meter square you may get, whereas in muram 18 to 25 ton per meter square will get. So the dimensions will be less here. So this is the beauty of earth, where within the shallow depth, that is of 2 meter, we got 4 different types of soils. So here you can see the beauty of this soil profile. It is a part of soil exploration. Here you can see the actual video of that site. Here we have laid a bed concrete also. 4 different soil profiles at a depth of 2 meter. Okay, so we have done excavation up to the muram, especially around half meter extra excavation we have done for the seating arrangement of footings of a building. Here you can see the 4 different soil profiles once again. So here you can see the bed concrete we laid for footing.